So is Robert Vadra going to be allowed to get away with the kind of behavior that was on display on Saturday night only because he is related to a powerful, politically connected family of the country? Sanjay Jha of the Congress still with us from Mumbai. R. Rajgopalan also in our studio. Also our political editor Navika Kumar. Mr. Rajgopalan, is this how now it's going to be? That if you go to an event, you ask these PR type questions and they will be answered the moment you ask some tough, inconvenient questions. Suddenly you're accused of being paparazzi, of being on a witch hunt.
Whatever Vadra, wherever he goes, whatever he does, the land deal will be the back of any media news person, whether he's in India or in Chennai or in Tamil Nadu or in North India, wherever he is. But on the other point, as a media person, the ANI correspondent put two questions. Before answering to that question, Mr. Robert Vadra agreed to give interview. So having given interview to ANI, obviously Mr. Vadra would expect that the land deal question would definitely come to the reporter's mind. Therefore, he put the question very mildly. But Robert Vadra should not go off the mark and push the camera out like that.
And Mr. Jha,
and apart
Mr.
from
Vadra
that,
cannot
apart
decide
from that,
what kind of questions
apart
are
from
going to
that,
be
as a
asked.
media person, I
figure.
say
He's in a public place. A reporter will ask him the question. As long as he asks it in a civil fashion, he has got no right to retaliate the way he did. How can you defend that?
Well, Padmaja, you know, we are all experienced. We have seen a lot of events. We run organizations. I've worked for companies where we have done press events. But there's an event, you know, if you're doing a joint venture launch, you don't suddenly have people asking you questions on what your financial results are going to be or why you are...
I'm sorry, this is about Robert Vadra. You call him a private citizen. You call him a private citizen. The media doesn't think he is a private citizen. He is connected to the most influential and powerful political family, Mr. Sanjay Jha. The simple question is, he answered the question on the gym, on the exercise machines.
Very politely.
A question was asked. Till that time, you didn't question whether ANI was there because they were invited or not, or suddenly when the question went to the land deal, the reporters become paparazzi. Number one. Number two, is a simple apology so much to expect for this kind of arrogant behavior? The fact that you actually assault a reporter who's asking the question, the fact that your security personnel actually ask for deletion of a video clip, is that normal behavior of a private citizen?
Well, you know, Navika, frankly speaking, if you read his reactions, and they are spontaneous, they are absolutely reflexive.
The arrogance comes spontaneously.
Can I speak? He says, "Are you serious?" 5 times. That goes to tell you that he's stunned by the fact that for a purpose for which the particular interview was to be held, it was deliberately deviated upon. And that's the reason why today you are having this debate. I want to ask you a question.
Sorry, Mr. Sanjay Jha, it's basic journalism. It's basic journalism. When we go to interview the finance minister, we don't only ask questions on growth and current account deficit. We ask him questions on anything. Similarly, if there is Robert Vadra in front of us, we can ask him questions on anything. He's a public person.
Well, Navika, you know, 1 minute. He's a public person because
Sanjay Jha, don't defend Robert Vadra in future.
You can't decide. You cannot defend it. That I want to ask.
Sanjay Jha, you cannot defend him.
Mr. Rajagopalan,
you cannot interfere.
Mr. Rajagopalan,
you cannot defend him.
A question
because
to
you know he is not defendable.
Why doesn't the
I'm telling you, he cannot push the mic like that.
Why doesn't the Indian media, because wherever Mr. Modi or Mr. Amit Shah go, why doesn't the Indian media
talk about Robert Vadra? Talk about Robert Vadra.
Ask them about fake encounters.
Why you are protecting Robert Vadra? You tell me that.
The Gujarat massacre. Why doesn't the Indian media ask questions of Mr. Modi and Amit Shah on Gujarat massacre, on fake encounters in Snoopgate? Those are public interest issues.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, what gives you the impression that the media hasn't asked those questions?
They don't.
I mean, there have been full interviews on these issues that have been conducted.
But those are public individuals.
But the BJP is not the issue today. The media has a completely clear conscience of the fact that we have asked these questions of these individuals when the questions were to be asked. But when we are in front of Robert Vadra, we are to ask the question of Robert Vadra. Narendra Modi and Amit Shah have been asked those questions.
They are not.
The media has asked them whenever
there
are opportunities.
Have you held a single debate on why a man who's out on bail gets Z+ security? He's out on bail on a triple murder accused. Has there been a single debate in the studio on that?
Mr.
Not
Sanjay
one.
Jha, that's the
Not
issue
one
which the
single
Congress
debate
party is
on it.
well within its
Why?
rights to question
By
even
the
in
way,
courts. The
by the
question
way,
today is
Mr.
about
Amit
Robert
Shah
Vadra.
and
Can we
Mr.
come back to
Modi
the
are
point?
public individuals. Mr. Robert Vadra is not. And I think the media is on a witch hunt. The media is hounding him. The media is not allowing the legal process to go on. The media
So he will
wants to
ask his
prejudge the
security
case.
personnel to delete
The
video
media
clips?
is being
Does that give him
judgmental.
a right to ask media people to delete video clips from a function? Is that what you're saying?
Well, Navika,
is that the right that he has?
The very fact that you are doing this debate with me on a Sunday morning, the very fact that Arnab Goswami was at 11:30 in the night on a Saturday evening on a radio chat with Renuka Chaudhary ji tells you that there is a hounding incident on. I don't need to give further
Whenever
proof of
the
it.
media's
That is
rights
proof.
are impinged
That is
upon, we
proof.
have the right to ask the question and
A
raise
right
our
to
voice.
ask,
Our
and I have a
pen,
right to
our
tell you.
mic is
I have
the
a right to
only
tell you
weapon
that
we
you
have.
are
We don't
prejudiced.
have security
You
personnel
are
with us.
hounding an
We
individual.
only have a mic or a pen with us. We don't have security personnel who are deployed around us. The video journalist and the reporter are well within their rights to ask questions. That's the only weapon we have. That's the only professional thing that we are expected to do. Why can you question that today?
Well, you know, Navika, I'll repeat it one more time. I don't need to make a bigger comment on it. Yesterday, Mr. Badra's office has issued a
So
clarification.
do you think an apology is
I
in
want to
order?
let you know that this incident opens up a bigger debate for you. It's not just about Radia tapes and you know the paid media debate, but the media needs to look at his own.
And you come to
integrity.
the point, Sanjay Jha, you come to the point.
Is there,
you
is
come to
there
the point,
an
don't go
apology?
elsewhere.
Is there
Don't
an
go
apology
elsewhere.
which
Don't
is
talk
in
about other
order?
issues. Don't talk about other issues.
Oh, really?
You talk about Mr. behavior of Mr. Vadra.
Mr.
Can you push that
Rajgopalan.
mic like that?
Mr.
You tell me that,
Rajgopalan,
Sanjay Jha, you asked that
everybody in
question.
this country
You
will
don't
be
talk
asked
about other
questions.
things.
The Sanjay
You
Jha
come to
media
this
is
point.
not going to be an
Simple small
exception to it.
question, is an apology in order? Is an apology in order? Should Robert Vadra have actually assaulted a reporter, removed the mic and actually asked for deletion of a video clip? Is an apology in order?
Well, let me tell you one thing, Navika. Yesterday,
Yes or no? Yes or no? You
Yes
say
or
that.
no,
Yesterday-
Sanjay Jha,
You
it's a
say yes or no?
very
Yes.
simple question.
Yes, Sanjay Jha said yes.
manifestation of a
Sanjay Jha said yes, he should apologize.
Of trying to
Congress will
exploit
distance
an
from you. You will
individual,
be Shashi Tharoor
making an
too.
allegation on an individual that is totally unfounded and dismissed by the courts. There is a law of the land. Can the media kindly respect it? And if you have to ask questions of anybody, please ask them every day of Mr. Modi because he's the Prime Minister.
But Sanjay Jha,
And
Yeah,
please
what
ask
is
them
that
of
you're
the Prime
talking?
Minister.
Sanjay,
And
what are
please
you
ask them of
talking?
anybody else
Asking
in
a
public
civil
life.
question
You can't hound
to a
individuals
figure
like this.
Mr. Vadra. How has the law of the land been disrespected if a reporter walks up to Mr. Vadra and says, what do you have to say about the BJP government investigating your land deals in Haryana? What law? Can you please quote?
Padmaja, what am I referring to? I'm saying that today you have a central government of the BJP, you have a Haryana government of the BJP, you have a Rajasthan government of the BJP, you have three verdicts from the courts that have said the allegations are false, you have a BJP law minister. Please ask them to take appropriate action.
Yes, we've
That's all
asked
the
them, Mr.
Congress has
Sanjay
said.
Jha, just for your information, we've asked them, and just 2 weeks ago, the finance minister said, yes, there is a prima facie case which should be
So let him pursue
investigated
it.
against Robert Vadra.
let him pursue
These
it.
are quote unquote the words of the finance minister. We'll come back to you and ask you questions on if the finance minister has stated there is a prima facie case for investigation. Why is the media not within its right to ask questions of Mr. Robert Vadra? Sanjay Jha, the question the BJP is saying is, why shoot the messenger? It's a simple question. If the journalist is asking a question, you always have within your right to say no comments or I don't want to answer it. Why should you actually be arrogant enough to actually assault a reporter or even ask a security personnel to delete the clip? Simple question.
Well, Navika, a very simple answer. You know, I'm just going to read to you what are there written in court verdicts. That all the allegations against him so far have been deemed as frivolous, flippant and an attempt to destroy somebody's reputation.
The courts haven't gone into
That's
the
a
merits
fact.
of the case, Mr. Sanjay Jha.
Well, that's exactly the point. So if anybody believes there is more substantive argument against Mr. Vadra and anybody
about
else
the
he's had a
CAG?
financial transaction with, they should go to the court. They should file
What
an
about the
FIR.
CAG?
They should have a charge sheet. That's exactly the point the Congress party is repeatedly making, Navika. I think we have a right to do it. And you must respect this. We are saying that if anybody, our political opponents, somebody from the public, somebody from the corporate world, if they believe that Mr. Vadra has done something wrong, please go to the appropriate authorities.
So he could
But
have said
coming
that.
and maligning an individual, forcing a microphone into somebody's face when he least expects it.
No, he
and
agreed to give
expect them
interview.
Answer is
He
brazenly
agreed to
wrong.
give an interview.
It's unethical
There is no
journalism.
forcing.
It is not.
There is
it
no
devoid of
forcing.
integrity.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, number one, the ANI reporter was there on an invitation. Number two, he asked other questions first, but he's well within his rights to actually ask the question on the land deals. If the question on the land deals was asked and Mr. Vadra did not want to answer them, he could have easily said so. What gives him the right to actually physically assault, detain and force deletion of video clippings? Again, the same point. This is the only basic issue that the media has to ask from Mr. Robert Vadra and the
Apology.
Congress party. Now, having done this,
Navika,
having
there's no
shown
evidence
this
of it.
arrogance, is an apology due or not?
Well, let me tell you something. You are making a lot of assumptions here. I'm not privy to exactly the entire transcript of what
No,
really
you saw
happened.
There
that.
is a
Well,
statement
You asked
from
us
the
to rerun it.
If the
There is a
ANI
statement from
just a
the
minute.
ANI editor
If-
saying that they had an invite for this entire event that was held. The ANI was there on invitation.
Well, let me tell you, I have had ANI attend some of the events when, we have had corporate launches and they come and ask the exact question that they are actually, which is related to an event. For example, ANI, when it calls me today for
You
a
want to
soundbite,
decide what
it
questions
tells
the
me,
media asks?
1 minute, ANI
You want to
tells
write
me-
the script for every question the media
Can
asks,
I share
Mr.
this with
Sanjay
you?
Jha?
Can I, Navika, please give me 30 seconds to share this with you. When the ANI asks a Congress or I'm sure any other spokesperson, they tell them what they're going to ask them. They tell them exactly what is expected of
So
them.
surprise
that's a
questions
question.
are not
Procedure.
allowed, Mr.
And so I'm
Sanjay Jha.
surprised.
Surprise questions
I am
are not allowed
surprised.
at all. Under which
I'm
rule,
surprised
under
how
which
the
law?
ANI is changing track.
Under which law, under which rule and under which school of journalism and professionalism is the fact that you are saying that the surprise questions or questions other than those in the media event cannot be asked? Which rule says so?
Well, let me tell you something. This is the way ANI has operated when we have functioned as spokespeople.
Robert Vadra
So
thought
you're
By the
that
way,
saying any...
mother-in-law is still in
Once
power.
again,
That is why he gave that answer.
if that gentleman
Sanjay
does
Jha,
not interrupt,
Mr. Sanjay
please.
Jha, Robert Vadra
If that
should
gentleman
measure
does
his
not
words.
interrupt, please. All I'm saying is
what
Mr.
is that?
Vadra
Why you
has
are
said
repeatedly
on your
saying the same
channel,
thing?
On a transcript, you can hear him very audibly and clearly. He says
We
he
heard
was
it,
there
we heard it.
to inaugurate an event of a friend, which happened to be a gym. Where is the question of anybody asking him something extraneous and totally irrelevant? I mean, this is the point
Why
that I'm
is it
trying to
irrelevant?
make.
Who
Let's not
decides
encourage
it?
a
Sanjay
practice.
This is a relevant
Sanjay
question.
Jha, in which
This is a relevant
you
question.
decided
Paparazzi
that
culture
these
in
questions
India.
are irrelevant.
That is
Mr.
a relevant
Sanjay Jha,
question.
The viewers will decide because
right.
it's a simple statement, simple question that we ask that if Robert Vadra is a private citizen, then why is he carrying a security detail that forces reporters to actually delete video clips? Why does he actually shove reporters aside and shove mics aside? Questions that the Congress party and Mr. Vadra will need to answer. And why should this not be an issue on which an apology is due? Let viewers be the choice.